While disassembling radios, we often have to deal not with the regular slotted or Phillips drive screws, but with the so-called protected fasteners, Torxes, hexes, stars, etc. Such screws are difficult and sometimes impossible to unscrew with regular screwdrivers that aren't made for this purpose. Such attempts may lead to an injury and damage to the housing. However, you can simply buy a set of bits designed specifically for these fasteners, for example the VTBT5 set. This small hexagon can easily be unscrewed with the help of these bits. Simply insert a bit in an appropriate screwdriver and you can unscrew any secret screw.